This kind of series of seminars, conferences, and technical lectures, those are rightly as per vision of our Chairman WAPDA, Lieutenant General Sajjad Ghani Sahab. We are really lucky enough to have Professor Romano with us to recall the histories of Tarbela Dam projects. The Tarbela, which is really an engineering icon, not only by the words, it's a really engineering icon. You will see it, what the Tarbela has served to our nation.
I'm emotional, and to go through this in the world really is giving me problem. I'm sorry. Our joint venture had more than 700 expatriates working and 15,000 Pakistani. So it is your dam. We have been doing what we were supposed to do. We work in an atmosphere where everybody has a vision. We could see our project coming through, and everybody had the hope to be able to achieve. We had a hell of a lot of problems, but we have been working together to achieve, and we somewhat managed.